Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Pad 2, and today I'll be showing you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles. I do want to quickly check now. You do want to make sure that you swipe down from the top right side, as this is where the toggles are. And here we're gonna swipe up, click on the edit button, and swipe down again, and somewhere here you'll find the DND toggle. Click on the plus, then we can go back by selecting the checkbox right here, and here we have our Do Not Disturb mode. Now you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So select right here, Do Not Disturb, and we can turn it on. Wow, we have almost no existing settings right here. So yeah, that's about it. Now when you enable this, just to showcase this, you will also need to remember to turn it off, otherwise this mode will run indefinitely in the background, and you can turn it off by tapping on a toggle once more. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.